June's Project of the Month winner is this 2-story modular office system delivered through Hal Watts and G&W Equipment Incorporated. The multi-level system provides their customer with 312 square feet of brand new office space, with the building reaching an overall height of over 17 feet. The second-story office includes an open deck area, providing additional storage space for the warehouse. In the future, the storage area can be converted into additional office space. Thanks to Hal Watts and GW Equipment for the great photos of the structure and for completing another successful project. If you have a newly installed panel build project, submit your photos to info@panelbuilt.com for your chance to win next month's Project of the Month.